Hello everyone, this is Vicky. I am a chef in training and I'm being trained by my boss. Actually my wifey, but my boss, my wifey, like it's the same thing, right? So today we're making marinated chicken. But this one will be healthy because what we'll do is we'll air fry it instead of frying it, deep frying it in oil. So let's begin. Okay, so let's come down to the ingredients. First off, we have chicken, right? Because this is absolutely necessary. Without chicken, you won't be able to make the marinated chicken. Second, we have the curd, or also known as dahi, right? Third, we have some garlic cloves, clove of garlic. So we'll be using this. Next, we'll be using some turmeric. We'll be using some red chili or haldi or lal mirch. Next, we have a few of our Indian spices. There is garam masala, there is meat masala, there is dhaniya powder or coriander powder. There is also jeera powder or cumin powder. And finally, what is it, boss? Kashmiri lal mirch, okay. And finally, we have chicken curry masala. All right, so let's begin. We'll be starting with 2 tablespoonfuls of dahi or curd. So here we go. That's right, boss. We'll be taking 4 cloves of garlic. 4. So we have a grater right here. So let's go. If you have never done this, be careful because this word is a complete lie. So not at myself. Times when adversity will come your way. But it's like that. But today we're not doing that. Now to our spices. This is a little bit of turmeric. Let's not put a lot. A little bit of spice or the red chili powder. Says that let us start with chicken curry masala. A little bit, just a pinch, okay? Don't overdo it. This will be fine. Meat masala. Next we have Kashmiri lal mirch. This will give it the color. Then we have the jeera powder. This will give it a nice aroma. Okay. A little more, my boss says. Now we have some garam masala, just a pinch, and finally dhaniya powder. And dhaniya powder you can use it a bit, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. And again we'll be using some jeera powder. We'll be using some salt, and you can use salt based on what you like. I'm not using much, so let's use this much. So now I'm using my hands to mix this, do this. Now it's time for this to be covered up for at least 30 minutes. For it to be covered up, and this will go directly to the refrigerator. Now wait for 30 minutes. Now it's time and it's time to pull it out. So it's been sitting in the refrigerator for quite a while. Look at this. It's looking so nice. And this is an old recipe, so we are using the air fryer now. So let's just give it a final mix. Let's just set it here, clean and nice. Now you have to keep it here, like the little amount that's there, you have to keep it here. We'll fry this from 2 sides. So 10 minutes in 100, 10 minutes at 100 degrees for this side, and we'll flip, also fry it for 3 minutes. And we'll add this once we flip it. So let's do that now. It's getting ready. So I have a preset here, it's 200 degrees, and I just have to set a time. So 10 minutes is fine, and nice. Now let it cook for 10 minutes and we'll come back to it, okay? Ladies and gents, and this is done. So the degree has defaulted to its default temperature. Now it's time to flip it. You have to see all this. I have to speed this up. So here, incoming speed in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so remember we kept a little bit of our marinated spice, and this is to do this. Get ready because in 3 minutes your chicken will be ready to enjoy. So we have flipped it. Now let's do it. This time we'll change the temperature a bit. We'll do 180 degrees and we'll keep it for 3 minutes. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so our chicken is now ready. So let's pull it out. Ooh, it's looking brown and nice. So let me just put it in a plate and I'll give you some cinematic shots. And it is done, and it is looking really crunchy. I also recommend adding a squirt of lemon. It will enhance the taste. And as always, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next one. Cheers.